Okay, students. Okay, in the last lecture we had covered the data models. Okay, which topic we had covered? Data models. Yes, screen. Wait, student. एक minute. I think I have a net issue. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Yes, now screen is visible, na?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, in the last lecture we have covered the data models. Okay. We have seen the different types of data models. Yes. What is data models? Who will tell fast? Who? What is data models?
Data model are used to show how data is stored,
Yes.
connect,
Okay.
and update.
Yes. Okay. How the data will be stored, how the data are connected to each other. Okay. That things we are going to show in the data models. There are different types of data models. Already we have covered in the last lecture. The first is hierarchical model. The second is network.
Network
Yes.
model.
Yes. Entity relationship models and relational model. Yes. Okay. Then what is hierarchical model? Who will tell how the data will be stored in this type of model?
Tree
Short.
like structure.
Tree like scale.
Yes, very good. Okay, in this tree like in the tree like structure, the data is stored. If you want to store the data in the tree like structure, for example, the main table will be there. Okay, then again there is a parent table, then child table. Okay, if you want to store the data like this, we can use the hierarchical model. Okay, in the hierarchical model, every child has only single parent. Okay, every child has only single parent, but one parent table can have multiple child. Okay, multiple child tables. Okay, here child matlab child tables, parent matlab parent table. What is the parent table? Parent table matlab main table, base table. Okay, and child table matlab sub tables. Okay, this model efficiently describe any real world relationships like index of book, recipe. Okay, you can see in your textbook. Okay, in the textbooks on you can see the index. Okay, index में क्या होता है? Chapter 1, first of unit 1. Then in that unit they describe the chapter 1. Then within the chapter 1 the different topics are mentioned. Okay, so it is a hierarchical model. वो क्या हो गया आपका hierarchical model. Okay, then unit 2 अब देखना, you can see in your text book या तो कोई भी reference book, at the end of the reference book, the last page is the reference book, the index is given. Okay, in that index the topics. Okay, first of all they define the unit name, then the class, the chapter 1, then all the topics under that chapter will mention. Okay, with the page number. So that is a hierarchical model. If you want to store the data like that in the database, then you can say that our database is following the hierarchical model. Clear? Recipes. Okay, in any book you can see any type of index in any books. Okay, they are all following the hierarchical models. Okay, hierarchical models means the child node will have only single parent. For example, chapter 1, the chapter 1 is a child node. Okay, for what? The chapter 1 or unit 1. Okay, so unit 1 is a parent and chapter 1 is a child. Okay, but what does it mean that the child have single parent? But yes, the parent can have multiple child. The unit 1 has different chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and the chapter, again the chapter 1 is the parent node for the topics. Okay, so that is a hierarchical model. Now clear what is hierarchical model? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay, so you can remember this topic using this example. So you can easily remember. Okay, what is hierarchical model? So index is a real-time example. You can say कि उसमें ऐसे data store होता है. You want to if you want to store the data like this, though you can using the hierarchical model. Okay, so this is another example. The college has department and infrastructure. Okay, the college is a main database. For that database we will make the two tables: main table, department table, and infrastructure table. These two are the parent tables. Okay, then again the department table is a parent table for the course table, teachers table and student tables. Course, teachers and students are the child tables. Okay, for the department table, matlab department table consists the course table, teachers table, student table, or you can say the course table, teachers table and student tables are connected with the department table. Okay, means what here we can say, one department have courses, teachers and students. Okay, one department has courses, teachers and students. Okay, for example, B set is a department. Okay, so we have the courses FY, SY, TY, different teachers. Okay, and students, FY student, SY students and TY students. Okay, then again courses. Okay, courses you can say subjects. Okay, sorry, यहाँ classes मत refer करो, here refer the subject. Okay, courses means subject. You can say या तो ये आप subjects भी you can write. Okay, the subject has theory and labs. Okay, theory, practical subject, theory subject. So you can store the data like in this format. Okay, in the hierarchical model, data is organized into tree-like structure with one-to-many relationship. What is relationship? We will see. Okay, हम लोग देखेंगे what is relationship. Relationship मतलब क्या? How the data is connected. Okay, one class, second class से कैसे connected है? Here department table is connected with the course table, department table, course table, teachers table, students tables. Okay, all are the tables. We will make these tables. Okay, then we will store the data within these tables and then we will connect the this data. Okay, so this is a hierarchical model. The next is network model. Okay, the network model. What is the network model? The shortcomings, or you can say the pitfalls, or you can say the disadvantages of hierarchical database can be resolved in the network model. In the network model, the child node can have multiple parents. Okay, parent tables. The child node can have, or you can say the child tables can have multiple parent tables. Okay, you can see in the figures. Okay, the student is a child. Okay, but this student table is connected with the CSC department also and library department, a library also. Okay, so CSC department is a table, library is a table, and student is also table. Okay, college is a database. Okay, college is a database. In one database, in the college database, we can store the department information, library information, student information. Okay, the student is stable, CSC department is stable, library is stable. Okay, and we will store all this information. Okay, then the student table is connected with the CSC department also and library also. Okay, another table also you can make here, the event table. Okay, या तो toppers table for colleges के लिए toppers रहता. So whatever table you want to create, you can create and you can show the relationship between the tables. Okay, according to your requirement, you will show the relationships and then you can assign the names. For example, if we are creating the one table, student table, the table is connected with the CSC department table also and library table also.